This is a very highly requested video because I've been getting tons and tons of messages from you all asking me how do I actually create my YouTube thumbnails, or how you can create a good eye-catching thumbnails. Aside that, your thumbnails really matters a lot if people are going to watch your videos or not. Forget about the title. If the thumbnail is not pumping, is not eye-catching, is not calling, I'm sorry, that video is not gonna get clicked on. So you gotta make your thumbnail good today, and that's how I'm gonna show you how to make that eye-catching, lovely clickbait type of thumbnail. So if you want to know, keep on watching this YouTube video. Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia Ogun back again with another exciting video. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're here to subscribe, please do that right now. Thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me what you like about this YouTube video. My today's shout out goes to the above people. Hey beautiful Tovians, thank you for your support. Thank you for being here always. So guys, please go subscribe to their YouTube channel. Please go support them back. Thank you all. If you like to get share like these people, all you need to do is to be one of the first 5 people to comment with the hashtag Tovians, and then you get a share from me on my next YouTube video. So guys, like I've already said, I'm going to be showing you all how to create a YouTube thumbnail today. I'm going to be sharing the basic things I do in creating my own YouTube thumbnails. So if you want to know all about the steps, make sure you keep watching this YouTube video. So to start creating your YouTube thumbnail, you want to make sure that you actually take a good eye class or eye-catching photo. So the photo is the first part of the thumbnail, so I always do all I can to get the best photo out of all of my photos. Now that we actually have our photo, let's start editing the thumbnail. So the first thing we're going to do is to get the right YouTube thumbnail size, and to do that you're going to use the app PicsArt. So you can actually download this app from your app store, because I already have it on my phone, so that's why I'm not having to like re-download it. So I'm just going to open it. I just click that off. So you want to click on the purple plus below, and then just go pick that photo that you want to use. So mine, it's already up here. If it's not up here, you can just click on all photos to pick your photo, but mine is already here, so I'm just going to pick the photo. So once you do that, you want to click on tools. Now click on crop. So you want to just scroll to the right side and find the one that says YouTube, which is over there. So just click on YouTube. Now you can actually adjust your photo the way you want it. For me, I just love mine like this, but it is up to you. Just do whatever you like. So I like mine this way. Now if you think it is okay, just click on apply and then click on next and save it. Download photo. Now that's you, so just click done. Now that we actually have the right size for our YouTube thumbnail, the next thing we are going to do is to take care of the background of the photo. For me, I don't like to just leave this type of background for my YouTube thumbnail, so I always blur my background. Now I'm going to show you guys how I actually do that, but you can skip this step if you want to use your background the way it is. Otherwise, just follow me. Let's go blur our background. So the app we're going to be using to blur our background is called Blur Photo app. So I'm just going to go to my app store right now to download that app. Again guys, you can actually download the app Blur Photo from your app store, but I already have it, so I'm just going to open mine. So this is the page. Now you want to take that photo that we've resized with PicsArt, and this is mine. So you see how perfect the size is. Let me also tell you guys, this app actually have a watermark, and if you want to download it without the watermark, you will need to pay. So to blur it first, you want to click on the part that says blur, and then you can increase the intensity or reduce it. You see how the color changes. It is up to you, so I'm just going to leave mine in this area. To blur it, you want to just start on the body. Okay, just keep doing. Again, you can increase the brush size, which I'm gonna do because I don't want to sleep here today. So for this little edges, you want to just reduce the brush size again, and then zoom in the photo and then start working on it. So guys, let's say you make a mistake. For example, I mistakenly clean the face like this. So what you want to do is to go to the part that say erase, and then you can just erase the mistake. And as well, you can always reduce the brush size for the mistake, or you can increase it. You see how that just clean off everything I've done. So if you want to go back, let's say you mistakenly clean something, so just press on the back arrow, or if you want to undo it, just press on the front arrow. But I'm going to press on the back arrow because I actually need it. Now let's continue our work. So guys, if you actually love everything the way it comes out and you've been able to blur the background perfectly, so what you need to do next is to just press on the arrow below and then click on save. And that's you successfully saved the photo to your album. So let's just move to the next step. Now that our background is all blurry, looking all perfect and nice, it is time for us to add the right text and of course logos if you want to your thumbnail. And to do that, we are going to need the app Fonto. So let's go do this together. So guys, you can actually download the app Fonto from your app store. It's already installed, so I'm just going to open it. So once you've opened it, the next thing you want to do is to click on the camera icon. Then go to photo albums and then just click on that photo that you've blurred the background and then click on done. So here's our photo. Now what we want to do is to tap on the photo, then click on the add text. So just write your text. For me, I'm just going to say make money on YouTube and then click on done. You want to move the text to the center, but depending on you, you can put it up there, you can put it anywhere. So I'm just going to put my own center and then click on size. I'm just going to add to my size and then take it off a little bit. So put it there, take it a little bit down, and I'm good. So click on the text again, then click on the style. So you want to just pick your text color. So just any text color that you like, just go ahead and pick it. I'm just going to leave mine on white and then click on the part that says stroke. So the alpha, you want to just adjust that to the hand. Then the width, you can increase that to however you want it. So I'm just going to leave mine around there. Then click up there that says style. So the alpha here again, you want to just increase it to either the end or however you want it. I'm just going to leave mine in the end. And that is me. I'm just going to click on done. So just move the text again to fit on properly. Yeah. Now you can click on the text again, then click on font. So there are millions and thousands of text for you to pick from. Okay, you can just pick the font that you like. It is up to you. Okay, I love this. So I love this font, and I'm just gonna move it a little bit down. So that is how you actually add your text. Maybe if you have other text to add, it's just the same process and so on and so forth. So let's say you want to add the YouTube icon or any other icon. So what you want to do is to just go to your Chrome, open your Google Chrome, and then just type in YouTube icon and search it up. So go to the part that says images and then just download any one of your choice. I'm just gonna download this one, save the image. And also I want to download money icon. So money icon transparent because I'm talking about money. So I just want to add that, and then I want to go to images. Sorry about my battery. So just look for the money icon that you like. I'm just gonna go with this first one. So click on the image and then save the image. So I'm just gonna go back to my photo, and then to add those images, you want to click on this sign here, then go to the part that says add image, and then just pick your YouTube logo and click on done. So you want to just put it by the side and just kind of resize it. So to make this still, you want to just click on the part that says still, and then just kind of, you know, rotate it a little bit. I kind of like it here, so I'm gonna resize it a little bit. It's too big, so just put it there. And then I want to click on that, sign again, go to add image again, then take your money and click on done. So I can, oh, I kind of want to make some exchanges. Kind of like the money over here, guys. Kind of like the money over here, and then YouTube over here. So I want to change the style of the YouTube again and also resize it. Okay, I'm quite like, what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer it this way? I kind of like it as if the money is going off. So if you love your thumbnail like it is right now, because for me, I love my thumbnail right now. So just click on the download icon and then click on save image and then click on OK. So guys, well done. You have successfully created your own YouTube thumbnail. Now the next step I'm just gonna take is to actually put a thumbnail on my YouTube videos. Let's go to the YouTube Studio app to actually do this. You can download the app from App Store. So I'm just gonna open it. And then I'm going to pick the video I'm going to be putting the thumbnail. So I'm just gonna click on this video. Now click on that pencil icon. Click on the pencil icon again, then click on custom thumbnail. So go pick the thumbnail we've saved and then click on select and save it. So just allow the changes to happen. So right here you can see the thumbnail has now happened. You can see over here we now have the new thumbnail. So let me just refresh this page. And here we go with the video with the thumbnail. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you go change your thumbnails. I don't want to go to your channels and see thumbnails that are not asking me to click on your videos. So make sure you do those changes and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Please subscribe if you're yet to, and take good care of yourself. Bye guys.